Be devoted, hearts in strife, lift each other side by side. I will walk with grace and care, lift your burdens, always there. Love that leaves not to be seen, quiet strength in spaces between. I'll give my heart without delay, speak with honor every day, not for praise or worldly gain, but to ease another's pain. Love one another higher than pride, honor each other, walk side by side, not above, not behind, but hand in hand with open minds. Above ourselves we rise in love. Even when the road is long, I will sing a humble song. You shine and I'll step back, I rise because of love, not let go. Hearts entwined we cradle, for you still were staying strong. Hearts entwined we carry on, devoted still and strength is one another higher than honor each other, walk side by side. In this devotion, grace is enough. Above ourselves we rise in love. Be devoted, hearts in strife, lift each other side by side.